So we're gonna dump some water on our Angry Birds Ice Bucket Challenge. Darth Vader Pig. Who else? Let's get one more bird.
Okay, one more guy?
Yeah.
Oh!
Okay, let's do him first. Oh, is that guy the guy who's pulling water? Yeah, I guess so. This guy too, I don't know who he is, but... Okay.
Well, we can just call him a flying droid pig.
Mashi, do you want to do it?
We can call him
I
flying
didn't think so.
We can call him flying droid pig because he doesn't really look like a pig.
Alright, here we go.
Guys.
We'll just dump. Here.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Where's the droid pig?
There you go.
Yeah.
Daddy cheated, didn't he?